Okay, so after doing all my testing and trying out ideas and everything, I landed on 2 cookie dough bases. One of them is a mint chocolate cookie dough, and it's made with the cream of a mint Oreo along with butter for the fat, and chocolate animal crackers along with the flour. And then the other base is an orange cookie dough base made with orange extract and animal crackers for the flour there. The animal cracker thing with the orange cookie dough just really worked. And I had eaten one and just thought that it had a good like citrus note to it. And then but then I forgot about it. And then my 10-year-old was eating one and she said the same thing. She said, "Mom, these taste lemony." And I was like, "You're right. Oh my gosh." So proud of her for figuring that out. And then Christina, of course, mentioned the same thing in her video a couple of videos ago. And so it feels like that all kind of came together sort of miraculously. And the flavor, sure enough, when it's with the orange extract and in that cookie dough base, it's just so good. It really works. So those are my 2 bases, mint chocolate and orange. My original flavor story was mint Oreos and live wire, which is basically orange soda. And so I wanted to try to get orange and chocolate and mint all in the same happy family, but it kind of felt like brushing your teeth and then drinking orange juice. Like it wasn't the best. But with the mint chocolate cookie dough, tested it with like chopped up Dove dark mint candies, and I tried it with dark chocolate chips, and I tried it with those orange slice candies, just to see if we could get past the brushing your teeth and then drinking orange juice feeling. So those are the 3 things I tried with the mint chocolate base. But as I was going down that path, I kind of figured out that I wanted to ditch mint altogether. So I did. And I really wanted to just pull out the orange and or chocolate. So the orange base was so tasty. And I tried it with orange Mike and Ike's chopped up. I tried it with orange slices chopped up. And in that process, I discovered that as I chopped that up, it was kind of like a sticky, messy situation chopping up the orange slice candies. And so as I was chopping them up, I went ahead and sugared them on all the exposed sides so that none of the sides were like naked. They all had sugar on them. And that ended up being a smart thing to do. And then I also tried the orange base with dark chocolate chips. So what I felt like worked was definitely the mint chocolate worked with the dark chocolate chips, but for my flavor story, I really wanted that orange to happen. And the texture of the Mike and Ike's was forgettable, no big deal, didn't knock my socks off, but the texture of the orange slices was fantastic in the cookie, so good. And then the orange cookie dough with the dark chocolate, so good. And then my husband and I kind of had this moment where we were thinking the same thing. What if we do that all in one cookie? And so that's kind of the direction that I'm headed in, is an orange cookie dough base with orange slices and dark chocolate chips.
That cookie's the truth. I don't care. I'm stopping what's going on. This new cookie is the truth and nothing but the truth. The end.